Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel English Waves today. I want to share my simple evening routine with you. It's how I unwind and get ready for a good night's sleep. Let's start from the moment I get home. I usually get home from work around 6 o'clock in the evening. The first thing I do is put my keys on the table by the door. I also take off my shoes and put them away. It feels so good to be home after a long day. I change out of my work clothes and into something more comfortable, like sweatpants and a t-shirt. This little change helps my brain switch from work mode to relax mode. Next, I head to the kitchen. I always drink a big glass of water as soon as I get home. It's important to stay hydrated, and I often forget to drink enough water during the day. After my glass of water, I start thinking about dinner. I love to cook, but on weekdays, I like to make something quick and easy. Tonight, for example, I'm making a simple pasta dish. I'll boil some pasta, and while it's cooking, I'll chop some vegetables like tomatoes, bell peppers, and onions. I'll saute the vegetables in a pan with a little bit of olive oil and garlic. Once the pasta is ready, I'll mix everything together. Sometimes I add some chicken or beans for extra protein. It's a healthy, delicious, and fast meal. I usually eat dinner around 7 o'clock. I try not to watch TV or look at my phone while I'm eating. Instead, I like to sit at my dining table and just focus on my food. This is called mindful eating. It helps me enjoy my meal more and also helps with digestion. I take my time and savor each bite. It's a peaceful part of my day. After dinner, it's time to clean up. I wash the dishes right away. I do unlike leaving them for the morning because waking up to a clean kitchen makes me feel happy and organized. It only takes about 10 or 15 minutes to wash the pan, the plates, and the utensils. I listen to some music while I do it, which makes the task more enjoyable. Once the kitchen is clean, my relaxing time officially begins. This is my favorite part of the evening. I have a few different things I like to do to unwind. Sometimes, I like to read a book. I have a cozy armchair in my living room, and I love curling up there with a good story. Reading helps me escape into another world and forget about any stress from the day. Right now, I'm reading a really interesting fantasy novel. On other nights, I might watch a TV show or a movie. I don't watch a lot of TV, but I have a few favorite shows that I follow. It's a nice way to just sit back and be entertained. I try to choose something light and funny in the evenings, nothing too serious or intense before bed. Laughter is a great way to relax. Another thing I love to do is listen to podcasts. There are so many great podcasts about all kinds of topics, from history and science to comedy and storytelling. I can just put on my headphones and listen while I do some light tidying up around the house or just sit on the sofa. Around 9 o'clock, I start getting ready for bed. I believe a good nighttime routine is the key to a good night's sleep. First, I pack my bag for the next day. I make sure I have my laptop, my notebook, and anything else I need for work. I also choose my clothes for the next morning. Doing this at night saves me a lot of time and stress in the morning. Then, I head to the bathroom to do my skincare routine. It's very simple. I wash my face with a gentle cleanser to remove any dirt or makeup. Then, I apply a moisturizer to keep my skin soft. I also brush my teeth. Taking care of my skin and teeth makes me feel fresh and clean before I go to sleep. After that, I like to do some gentle stretching. I don't do a full workout, just some easy stretches for my neck, shoulders, and back. This helps release any tension that has built up in my muscles during the day from sitting at a desk. It feels amazing and really helps my body relax. Finally, just before I get into bed, I make a cup of herbal tea. I usually choose chamomile tea because it's known for its calming effects. It doesn't have any caffeine, so it won't keep me awake. I sip my warm tea slowly and reflect on my day. I think about 3 good things that happened. It could be something small, like a nice conversation with a colleague, or enjoying the sunshine on my way home. This little gratitude practice helps me end the day on a positive note. I try to be in bed by 10:30. I put my phone on silent and place it on the other side of the room. This is very important. The blue light from our phones can make it hard to fall asleep. By putting it away, I'm not tempted to scroll through social media for hours. Instead, I might read a few more pages of my book, or just lie in the quiet and focus on my breathing. Deep, slow breaths help to calm my nervous system and signal to my body that it's time to sleep. And that's it. That's my simple, relaxing evening routine. I usually fall asleep around 11 o'clock. Having this routine helps me feel calm, organized, and well-rested. It makes a big difference in how I feel the next day. What about you? What does your evening routine look like? Let me know in the comments below. I would love to read about what you do to relax in the evening. Thank you so much for watching and spending this time with me. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. It really helps me out a lot. Have a wonderful evening and a great night's sleep. Bye for now.